Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check fix cannot verify phone number. So let's start. So the first thing that we have to do it, I will also give you some tips. It's go to settings, and then on settings just scroll down and let's go to general, and here on general let's go to software update and check if there is an update for our phone. If there is an update, just click here and update your phone. If not, well, just back and let's go to the part that says date and time. So let's go there. If you want to check it, let's go to general again, and then on general just go to data and time and check if there is activated. If this is deactivated, just activate it, and that is how we can fix it. So also you can check if there is a VPN. You can check all the VPN device. If there is a VPN, you can connect it and add VPN configuration on your phone. So that's give you the 3 tips to fix it. I hope one of these tips helps you. Thank you for watching this video. If you need more help, please write on the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.